Can you believe we got all of this for $200 US?
Only $200 US.
Yo, stay tuned. We're gonna show you how we did all this. Alright guys? Today's video is sponsored by Temu. Temu is a shopping website that basically stocks from a pin to an anchor. Like everything you want is there. Okay? So we teamed up with Temu and we got all these stuff for $200 US.
The Temu website has a whole variety of stuff, right? They have clothes, stuff for your car, stuff for your house, a wide variety.
Beauty items.
Yes, definitely. But today we're gonna show you what they have for your home. Alright? So here we go. Where you wanna start?
Alright, so let's just start with what is in front of us.
Okay.
So we got blankets from the Temu website. Let's see what it's like. So we got 2 of these blankets. Remember that everything we show you right here is for $200. Everything accumulates to $200 US. Alright?
Yes.
Alright. So we got blankets.
Immediately I noticed they are very plush, right? They're like high quality.
They are really thick.
Nice quality.
And the patterns stay true to what we actually saw on the website and the description.
Yes.
So I like this.
Yes.
Actually, I really like this.
I am wowed by these. The quality is very, very good and you won't believe the price. I mean, everything on this website is so affordable. You can check it out.
And will be linked in the description box below. So we actually got 2 of these. So we got one of these, that's one blanket, and the other blanket is right here. Basically the same thing. We got the same thing, but we are still getting stuff for our Airbnb. So yeah, this is gonna be perfect for our guests.
Yes, we like these.
Yes, we do. So we got blankets. We also got other decor items. So I've been shopping around and I can't find any cushions the color that I wanted for the chairs in the Airbnb. So I actually got these from Temu.
Many thanks, Temu.
Yeah, so we actually got 3 colors. I got this one, which is yellow with this pattern. And I got more of a brown shade right
like
here.
Bronze. It looks like bronze.
Yes, it looks like bronze.
Look at it. Very, very, very nice quality.
Yes. And we got this blue one right here.
Yes.
So I actually love this blue one. The blue one is nice.
We actually placed this in a cushion that we already have just to show you what it's like. Alright. It also comes with zippers.
Yeah.
You know? So these are awesome. Nice quality, nice look, nice feel.
I tell you, I've been shopping around and I just could not find the colors that I wanted. So I'm just going to Temu, like, they have that?
Yes.
I'm just start look and see this is like another bronze color. Another bronze color, and I love the suede material. I love the patterns on it. Yeah. So we get exactly what I wanted. Next up is this. Now when I see this, Adrian was strolling past and I was like, Adrian, you need to stop.
Yes.
I love gadgets. Alright? So this is a kitchen gadget. It's a vegetable cutter. So this can cut your vegetables in various patterns, and I like that. This can give me my like julienne carrots and vegetables if I want. That gives me this shape. If I want a different shape,
you got slices like these too.
So I just simply slide it out like this. Replace the blades. These will give me my straight cuts. So I just slide in my blade like that, put in my food up here so, and that's it. So basically with this, we can have a vegetable chopped, nice, easy. So I like this. So they got you covered with your gadgets. If you're a gadget person like me, I like that. So let's go to the other items that we have. So we got bathroom mats for our bathrooms, and there are 2 gray mats. Foam, yes, so they're nice. When you step on them, it's nice and comfy.
Yeah.
And with the non-stick back. So these are great for our Airbnb again.
Yes.
So these are great.
And again, excellent prices. Go and check the website out.
Yeah.
Links to these items are down below.
Yeah, remember, $200 US. Okay? We got a hair dryer.
All that. Yes.
We got a hair dryer also, and we got a stand for the hair dryer. Can you find that, please?
Yes.
Yes. So this is the hair dryer right here. And I like it because if you use hair dryer, you should know what these are. You got a diffuser, and you have this little nozzle right here where you can clip on to make it more focused, you know. But basically, this is really neat.
Yep.
An hair dryer.
Yes.
We also got, and we got the stand for the hair dryer.
This is sold separately, so if you want to have your hair dryer mounted to the wall, they got you. All right. Stick this onto the wall.
So this side goes on the wall,
and then voila, just like that. You know, like you're at a hotel, right?
Yep.
Yes.
And you have this little section right here that you can stick other items in for your convenience. So I like that. Like that. And it's all at very reasonable prices. Alright. So we also got stuff for decoration. We got these faux plants from Temu. Now, if you guys,
these are nice.
Have you guys ever gone shopping for faux plant before? You would know that these are mad expensive in Jamaica. They are expensive, a pretty little penny. Alright? So we got these from the Temu website, again, a reasonable price. We also
along with these are also these little pots. Alright, Temu, right? That's the Temu sticker on there.
Yep.
Alright, so it looks like a kettle, but it's actually for decor. You know?
So,
nice.
So remember, we have plans to put plants, faux plants and real plants all over our Airbnb space and even on the patio. And I think the designer we are working on for that. And these are gonna fall right into that. So we got these type of plant holders. We got different colors, so you can always choose. We have the white and gold or the white and rust, and we also have a silver, or should I say gray? That's gray. We got gray. We also got these small little pots. Now these I want to put my little succulents in. So remember, we have enough plants, you know. So we got different types of containers. Again, we have plans to do stuff with, alright, with our plants. We even got this garland as well.
This could be hung on the door.
Yes.
Alright, so I think this would be more suitable for the front Airbnb. What do you think?
Well, we definitely have plans for both.
Yeah.
So we have
cool.
Yes, we have a good variation, and these are really good prices. We tried looking for some of these online, and then
it comes with a hook as well. So more convenience.
Yes.
Alright, you just stick on and then hook the plant and you're good to go, right?
Yes, and it has a rope too. So it comes with adhesive so that you can use to hang and put it wherever you need to put it. So I like that. So let's get rid of all of our plant decor. Alright, so what else we got, babe?
We're not done yet. We have a whole lot more things.
Yeah.
Alright, this, I really like this. This is a towel hanger.
And we got two of these.
We got two of these. So this is so convenient. You got 3M double-sided tape. You just stick on the bottom of this and voila, your hand towels are in a convenient location in the house, right?
Off the counter, that's what we wanted when we thought of that.
Yes.
It's gonna be off the counter, give us more counter space.
Nice, right?
Yes. And as usual, I'm always trying to find some way to take something up off the counter, so we have more space and the place is a bit decluttered, you know?
Definitely. So we got these from the package that we could immediately put in our Airbnb. There are others as well that we haven't got the chance to install yet, but we just wanted to show you this silverware organizer and this opener, can opener. All right, also for drinks as well. Silverware organizer plus the bottle opener.
So what else you got? What else you got? That box.
This. So when Kia saw this,
I loved it.
Skin catch on fire.
I've been wanting one of those for such a long time, and it is sturdy.
So she already put her natural cooking oil in the bottle. So this is a spray.
Oil spray.
Sprayer. Yes, you put the oil in the spray. So if you're doing air frying, this is perfect because a person who air fry would know this. Sometimes when you are frying like chicken, like a butter, sometimes it comes out looking white. So if you have a little bit of oil and you spray it, it will come out nice and golden. Right? This is perfect for that.
You're making your pancakes, you need a little bit of oil in your pan. This is just perfect.
Awesome.
So, nice,
awesome
nice.
Stuff.
All I would need for one is I would encourage all you to buy it. And this, it feels heavy and sturdy. I really like it.
It looks classy and nice.
Yeah,
for your kitchen
really
space. Yes. Alright. What we also got for the air fryer are these baskets. These are some
disposable paper baskets. I saw these and I loved it too because when you're using the air fryer, for those who use it, you have times when the chicken and stuff will get stuck to the metal at the bottom. If you have this now, it's easy, just pop it into your air fryer, boom, put your fries in, put your chicken in, put your nuggets in, everything in, and it doesn't stick to the bottom. Yes,
disposable, you just use and discard. Life is easy.
Yes.
Another item for cooking. This is alright, so
I love my kitchen gadgets.
Yes.
Alright.
Tell them what this is.
So this is basically a chicken roasting rack. So you put your chicken on top of it.
Alright, so you just stick this in into these little grooves. Alright. You stick the chicken on top. All of the grease, the trash will just drain down here. If you want to use that for broth to make gravy, all that is down here, and
the chicken can be cooked nice and evenly. I don't like my gadgets already, so I can't wait to use this.
So instead of having the chicken sitting in a pan, you can have it upright in the oven.
Yes.
Or for rotisserie, those big air fryers, you can put this in it as well.
Yes, I mean they can use it for different purposes. So yeah, I like that.
Alright, so here we are.
So we got 2 of these squeegees and they're really good for cleaning glass. I know we have fixed frame glass in some of our bathrooms now at our Airbnb. It's really good to clean windows, to clean, even to clean tiles as well. You can use this to clean tiles. Like when you finish, anyways. I'm gonna probably show you at a different time, but these are really good and they're for a really good price.
Yes.
Because I saw some metal ones in Jamaica and the price was mind-blowing. Right? So these are nice additions that you can put to your little basins in your kitchen. So instead of having another colander that you use to basically strain out your vegetables and so forth, or even your pasta, kind of attach these to it and just use it at the side. So we got so much stuff from Temu, like so much stuff that we can't even show all them here.
For only $200. Alright? Excellent stuff. We like them. The quality is nice. Normally when you buy things cheap, the quality is not so good, but trust me, we like the quality.
Really nice.
We really like the quality. We like the feel of this fabric. It's so good. These 4 plants, they are so nice, So check out the link in the description for these items, alright?
Lovely people, Temu as a app. Go ahead and download the Temu app. All new users are getting free shipping, and you also can get up to 90 days return on items that have been purchased. Temu also uses all major credit cards and debit cards. They even have AfterPay services. So go over to Temu, and when you use the link below, you get a 30% discount. Alright, so go over to Temu. They have high quality products for a fraction of the price. Let us know down below which items are your favorite. So remember, Temu is a shopping website that you can get from a pin to an anchor.
Definitely.
And I really like what they sell. What you see is basically what you get. And as Adrian said, sometimes the quality does not there. But for these are really good quality.
Really nice, really nice. Thank you all for watching. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, we want you to leave a like and remember to subscribe for more content like this. Alright, stay tuned. Lots more coming. Thanks, Temu. We out. Peace.